Hi there. Thank you for choosing this video. My name is... I couldn't even say that without laughing. What's up, guys? Spire1313 coming at you guys here. We have done Taskmaster, we have done Cat, we have done Proxima, we have done Iron Spider. Not yet, he's the final one, but according to the playlist, we already did him. So this video, guys, we are doing the fifth action figure that comes with the Thanos Build-A-Figure set, Songbird. I have never heard of this chick. This is what she looks like in the package. It comes with Thanos' right hand, or left hand, because he uses the right. No, should have went for the hand. Right hand, because he uses his left hand to wear the glove. But yeah, I've never heard of this chick. Let's read about her. A category of skill and supersonic powers make Melissa Gold the high-pitched hero Songbird. So she is a hero. I've honestly never heard of this chick. I'm gonna have to look her up here later. Kinda tired, guys. But you got videos to make and reviews to do. What else will you do? This one might be a bit of a short video, guys, because, again, I don't know much about this chick. But, I mean, kind of just looking at this, the flying backpack thing, it looks like she's, kind of has the Phoenix Force in her. It looks like a lobster claw. Zoidberg, don't! I was good to you, Zoidberg. Alright. Here's the Thanos arm that comes with the figure. This is his left arm. So, yeah. Oh, he was right-handed. I'm sorry, guys. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is Songbird. She has white hair, but pink veins. Her suit is complete black with gold and white. Head movement is kind of slim to none because of her hair. Her gold piece here moves. So, if you want to take that off, all you gotta do is pop out the head and take it off. She has some arm movement, not a lot because of the golden arm pads. She is actually only one hand, not double jointed, she is one jointed, and she has little to no movement in her fingers. So this character is kind of just for the Thanos guy. Sorry, this is going to be a short one. She can move it kind of like this. But other than that, she has little chest movement. Her belt moves. Batman turns around. Oh, Jesus. She has some thigh movement. Not very lot. Well, there is complete thigh movement, but it sticks. She is double jointed though in the knee, which counts, and both her feet do swivel back and forth and everything, which is nice about this one. Some of the plastic is kind of falling off. Yikes. Okay, so from the looks of it, you have to slide to put on her powers, from the looks of it, we have to take off her head and slide it on, and then snap her head back into place. It looks right like this, but once you look at the back of her head, it's a little weird. This character, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with. So for now, I'm just gonna stick here. There. She's gonna fall. Yeah, no. I'm gonna stick over here by my coffee mug. So that is Songbird. Again, don't know much. Sorry about that. This is gonna be the only edited video because I accidentally hit stop because the stupid tire of my lamp shut me off. But yeah, this is kind of just a short edit for the ending. Anyway, guys, again, I don't know much about Songbird. Comment down below who the hell she is, or I'll have to look it up or some shit. I don't know. Anyway, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, smack that like button, hit the subscribe button, guys, if you want to be the 101 subscriber. Share this video if you guys want this video to go around. Hope you guys are having a really lovely rest of your guys' day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.